What's up, guys? It's me, Jackson, here again. Today I went to an open house for the Piedmont Pilgrimage. I went to Eric Siegel's open house over at his layout. Eric Siegel, also known as Ericstrains, for those who don't know him, is he's a pretty popular YouTube channel in the model railroading community. Primarily does 300 gauge stuff. I'll link his channel in the description. Go out and sub to him. He's a great guy. I went to his layout today, the day I recorded this video, and because he had his annual open house today, so this video is just going to be kind of like a compilation of the footage I got, but I got some pretty cool footage and photos, so let me go ahead and show you guys those photos right about now.
I've not seen if they passenger cars, but they're heavyweights. They're not the streamliners.
Oh, that thing is impressive. That bipolar electric.
What's the newest? The 900, it's back there. It's not running right this second, but it's connected to the silver pen.
Well, I have one, but I just moved, and I'm fixing to move it over to the house.
New house?
This way.
This way, Daddy?
This one is drop bridges. That not about. Better be careful here. Ugh. All these Norfolk Southern diesels and previous this is SD70s, a bunch of SD70 ACs maybe. This is some SD70s. Oh, there's the S2, the famous S2 from Lionel. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
So I had a really good time at the open house. It was very cool. I think my favorite part was just the, I guess the detail and the scenery. Like, it was next level detail. And like, Eric, you did a great job on that layout. Eric and everyone else there were really nice. They were very nice people. Very welcoming. Got to talk trains for quite a long time. And so we'll definitely be going back next year. We'll try to. This was my first year. But anyway, if you're given the opportunity, I highly recommend doing it. Not been paid by anyone, I'm just giving my honest opinion. So, yeah, like I said, had a great time. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you had a great time watching this video. But if you did have a good time watching this video, if you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a comment and be sure to like and subscribe. I'll keep making more content. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, I guess. I don't have much else to say, but anyway, see you guys next time.